Here are 5 AI tools you will absolutely need in 2025, and trust me, the fifth one will blow your mind. No ChatGPT, no Midjourney, only game-changing tools most people don't know about yet. Let's go. Luminar AI, your personal photo editing magician. With just one click, you can swap boring skies and backgrounds, get perfect portraits, and remove photo bombers like they were never there before. A free alternative to this tool is GIMP. It's completely free and packs some serious AI features too. MakesYouFluent. Yes, MakesYouFluent. It's an AI-powered platform that personalizes your learning journey. With tailored AI tutors, real-life conversations, and daily lessons, you'll be speaking fluently in no time. You can try out the paid subscription for full access or start with a free trial to see how it works. However, for a free alternative, check out Duolingo. Photomath. Now, this AI-powered math problem solver uses your phone's camera to scan and solve everything from arithmetic to calculus. Just point your camera at the problem and watch as Photomath recognizes it and provides step-by-step solutions. I wish I knew about this earlier. The paid version, Photomath Plus, offers extra features like textbook solutions and step-by-step tutorials. But you can also use the free alternative, Mathway, for similar problem-solving capabilities. Notion AI, your ultimate productivity assistant. Integrated directly into the Notion workspace, it helps you generate content, edit documents, and organize your projects effortlessly. Whether you need help with writing, coding, or summarizing documents, Notion AI has you covered. The premium features enhances your experience with advanced tools, but you can explore the basics with Notion's free plan. And the free alternative to this is Copy AI, which offers a suite of AI writing tools to boost your capability. Last but not the least, at number 5 we have Fridge Leftovers AI. Yes, Fridge Leftovers AI. This innovative app uses AI to analyze leftovers in your fridge and suggest delicious recipes based on your leftovers. Mind blowing, right? Simply snap a photo of your ingredients and the app will provide personalized meal recipe ideas along with easy to follow instructions. It has a premium subscription for advanced features, but you can start with the free version, which allows you to analyze up to 15 pictures.